I'm just videoing her right now.
And then disgusting. Oh great, you hear my voice. My like just woke up man voice.
That's Daria, she's talking.
Hey there.
Stop, it's not done.
I don't like this music.
No?
No. Yeah, drop it. You look stupid with your mitts.
Cute.
Show me your mitts. What if it's 22 hours? No, do 30. Stop. Go down. No, do less than 30, because you need to make sure.
Well, that's less than 30. It's good.
It is! It's minutes!
If you want. Or I can do it for you.
Do you have sodas?
What?
Is there soda for me?
Yeah, you can drink anything in there.
I don't see soda.
There's no soda in there?
No.
Oh. I think we have sodas downstairs.
How do I get there? In the garage? In the garage?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll figure it out. I don't really know how to get there.
So this is what happens when you don't know how to bake a cake.
I thought it was funny because I was like, "Yeah, Victoria, I don't know how to take it out of the pan." And she was like, "Oh, it's so easy."
Sorry for party rocking.
We're going day in peace.